So now we're going to keep looking at circles and look at some word problem type problems. Not really word problems, we're just going to have to draw our own circles this time. So for example, we've got a pizzeria that offers 3 different size pizzas with diameters of 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches. So I'm just going to draw our circles here. We've got an 8-inch diameter, 10-inch, and a 12-inch. So first I want to find the circumference of each pizza. So circumference is 2 pi r, or pi times diameter. So for the small one, it's just going to be 8 pi. The medium one's a 10 pi. And then the large is 12 pi. Then to find the area, we do pi r squared. So now I have to have the radius. So the radius of the first one is 4. The second one's 5. And the third one is 6. So 4 squared is 16. So we get 16 pi. 5 squared is 25 pi. And then 6 squared gives us 36 pi. So those are our circumference and areas of each of the pizzas. Then we've got Joey, who's very hungry, and he wants to eat exactly 100 square inches of pizza. So you don't know which size pizza he should order. Well, if I'm thinking of 16 pi, remember pi is about 3.14, and so 16 times 3 is only 48. So that's not going to give him, the 100 square inches that he wants. 25 times 3 is only 75, and then 36 times 3 is 108. Alright, so in order for him to get exactly 100 square inches, he's got to at least order the large, because that's the only one that's going to get him over 100 square inches. And more specifically with Joey, we can figure out exactly how big of a piece that's going to require using that large pizza. So if I have a large pizza, I know my radius is 6, and I want to know, what size pizza, which is going to be kind of a big pizza. So I want to know that angle here that's going to give us that 100 square inches, or close to the 100 square inches. So if I wanted to find the area of this, remember it's going to be your angle over 360 times pi r squared. Right? Well, I'm looking for the angle, so I'm going to leave that as n over 360. And I know that the area of this large pizza, we already said, was 36 pi. I'm going to set that equal to the 100 that I want to find. So right off the bat, I know that the 36 and 36 pi simplifies to 1 over 10. So I have pi times n over 10 equals 100. Multiply by 10, so I get pi times whatever that angle is, equals 1,000. And then we just divide by pi. So 1,000 divided by pi is approximately 318. So for him to get 100 square inches of pizza, he would have to cut a huge slice that is 318 degrees worth of that circle.